Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the Saga, which I haven't covered in a very long period of time. I covered this when it first launched, I believe. Back then I also did a review on this, but I wanted to do an update on this because yesterday I think we got a massive bullish breakout, which I was very bullish on. I posted about that on X as well, so follow me there, at Cilinix Crypto, of course. But that's why I wanted to make a video on that right here as well. I'm not sure how many people on YouTube are interested in Saga, but if you are not interested in Saga yet, I think you should be, alright? So that's what we'll talk about. As you can see, very bullish chart. I actually bought this at 1.6 at one point of time, but I took most profits at like $2. So yeah, it was a good trade, but it could have been much better. But I did not see that we were forming a massive reversal structure, all right? This is one of the clearest reversal structures in the market right now. Basically, this happened, right? So this is, and now we also did this. So this happened. You have a key level right here, which we find support on, then we drop down, that's still bearish, and then we get that first breakout. That's when we turn bullish, and now we also got the second breakout, all right? Because Saga initially, so this is a little bit of structure. We broke above $2, major bullish breakout. Since then, we turned bullish structurally. And now we've also broken above the top of this range we made for the last 3.5 weeks, between 2.8, I would say, and this level right here at 2.1. So the big question right now is, well, all right, is this actually a breakout or is it a fake out? And that is the main question. I mean, I would lie if I would have the definite answer to that. But if I take a look at the statistics here for Saga, I would say it's a breakout, and that's an opportunity. All right. If you talk about Saga right now, there's quite a lot of hype around this. In general, the community around this is pretty big as well. Now there's even more hype surrounding the snapshots and their season 2 airdrop, I believe. But in general, there's a strong community behind this. So I'm not sure if this is going to be a sell the news event. And I also do think that should have happened already. I mean, what you can see with Saga right now is that we actually had that breakout with a ton of momentum, which you can see down here, or at least hopefully you can see it. That's huge charts, those huge candles up. That's the momentum, that's the open interest. And then outside of that, you can also see, or at least I believe that's the case, you can also see that the volume is relatively high as well. All right, so I think there's still, I mean, the volume, if you compare that to the volume a month ago, when we also broke out, it's still relatively low and it could be higher. So this can still be a fake out. But I'm putting my money right now on the fact that this is a breakout. All right, so I think we had a clear range right here. Now we have a breakout confirmed on the daily time frame as well, with momentum, with decent volume, above a significant psychological level as well, $3, with a strong community behind it. So that's why I think it's most likely we will pull back, but that we will be able to hold this level and rally up higher into 3.5 again and $4 ultimately. And then we'll start to look at, and then we'll probably consolidate again, but getting towards that level at 4.0 and 4.2, I do think is a very realistic possibility initially. So that's what I expect. Now, alternatively, of course, like I said, I'm not a magician. This could still be a fake out, all right? If we're unable to hold this level right here at 3 and 3.1, Bitcoin becomes very bullish, for example, could cause that. Then this is just one big fake out, and then we'll dive back down into the range like this. So that is a possibility. I just don't think, given the circumstances right now, also with the entire market, that's most likely. But know that, all right? I could be wrong. I think it's most likely for the reasons I've given you that I am not wrong, of course. But those are the scenarios. That's what I think is most likely. That's what I think you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.